place where the world is getting ready to meet the world. Expo Milano 2015. A place where people have come together from every corner of the globe to share their precious things. Here their cultures, traditions, and flavors meet and mingle amid extraordinary architecture. The whole world has gathered in a single place to share an incredible journey with you. Expo Milano 2015, your journey around the world.